G'day cocktail lovers. At the suggestion of a friend, I'm going to do a topical cocktail. It's going to be in honour of Stormy Daniels because she's in the news for reasons. So I thought this would be fun, and also with her stage name Stormy, I think it's obvious I need to do a riff on a dark and stormy, because who doesn't love rum and ginger ale or ginger beer? So I'm going to do a riff with a few touches that are essentially a nod to the story that she's involved in. First, of course, we're going to need rum. You should go with the rum of your choice, what you like. Maybe it's a spiced rum, maybe it's a dark rum, a blackstrap. I'm going to go with El Dorado 15-year-old because I have some, and I'm going to put in the shaker 2 ounces, 60 mils of rum. And this is a bit that is relevant to the story. I don't need to go into detail. I'm putting in some cream. My friend suggested, hey, maybe put coconut cream in there. I thought, no, I've got this really nice whiskey cream liqueur, an Australian one, but I think this needs a creamy element. But look, I don't have to explain it, do I? We're all immature adults here, you know the innuendo I'm going for, but I'm going to put an ounce or 30 mils of cream liqueur into the shaker. And to provide a little bit of balance in the mix here, I'm also going to add 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice to the shaker. We add ice to the shaker and shake that good and hard. And I mean good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds, which is probably as long as you know who lasted, because we really want that cream to integrate with the other elements. I'm going to top that with ginger ale. Again, on theme for me, I'm going to use this Fever Tree spiced orange ginger ale, just because the orange reminds me of a certain someone's horrible fake tan. And that is my Dark and Stormy Daniels. I hear a rumour she actually trademarked a cocktail by that name. This is probably nothing like that. This is just my version. You know what, I'm going to do a garnish for no real reason, a mushroom. That's not referencing anything that was too much information when I heard it the first time. But now I actually want to taste this, and okay, I tell you what, I'm going to have a much better time drinking this than certain people are going to have as they sink deeper and deeper into legal troubles. I don't get political that often on this channel, and this is going pretty light for me, but this is actually a pretty good drink, and it's a lot of room to play around with, and I think I could say something about playing around there as well, but I'll leave it there. I'm going to finish my Dark and Stormy Daniels, and I hope wherever you are, you're taking care of yourself, not getting into too much trouble, because I want to see you again sometime soon. Until then, I will just say, cheers!